Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. For this one, we need to create about complementary solutions and particular solutions. So for the first one, I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. Later that we need to do first the derivative of yc, and we have lambda e to the power of lambda s. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we keep the same e to the power of lambda s. Later that we need to do first the derivative of lambda s. You got lambda. Now we go to second derivative of yc, and we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. Because this is about complementary solution, so I will put this one equals to number 0. So I will put this one gone here, this one gone here, and this one gone here. So we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s, and we have lambda e to the power of lambda s, and the next one e to the power of lambda s equals to number 0. So this one we can do about factorization. Now we need to find the solutions of this one. So this one we have lambda equals to negative number 1 over number 2, and we have positive the square root of number 3 over number 2 I, and we have lambda equals to negative 1 over 2 minus the square root of number 3 over number 2 I. So this one we can put about yc equals to c number 1 e to the power of negative 1 over 2s, because this is about the complex numbers in here. So this one I will put about cosine of the square root of number 3 over 2s, and then we have c number 2 e to the power of negative 1 over 2s sine of the square root of number 3 over number 2s. And this is about complementary solutions. About particular solutions, we see that we have s squared plus 2s plus number 2. So I will put about yb equals to as squared plus bs plus c. Now if we do first the derivative of yb, we have 2as plus b, and the second derivative of yb, and that is about 2a. Now we have this one in here. So I will put this one gone here, this one gone here, and this one gone here. And now we have 2a plus 2as plus b, and we have as squared plus bs plus c. Now, we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s squared, we just have 8. About s, we have 2a plus b. About the numbers, we have 2a plus b plus c. Now we need to compare coefficients in here. So this one, we have number 1. So 8 equals to number 1. This one we have number 2. So 2a plus b equals to number 2. And the last one, so we need to find the solutions of ABC. So 8 equals to number 1. B equals to number 0. And C equals to number 0. So we put ABC, go back in here. And now YB equals to S squared. And now we have the final answer. YC, that is about this one. And YB, that is about S squared. This is the end. Thank you for watching.